Well, howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. So, it's not something we do often, but it's December, and we've got little baby chicks. Well, they're not little anymore. If you guys watched our little short, and I'll have Aiden put a little clip of that in here. But we got chicks back in November. We've had them for almost a month now. We're a couple days shy of having them for a month. It's not something we normally do, not something we like to do, but we were going to order chicks this spring. Couldn't get them. Finally, they actually ended up having a sale on chicks, so we've got 50 little baby chicks here. They're a mixed breed, but they got some pretty cool colors, but they're growing well, so you can see how we got the heat lamps on them still, but you can see how well they look. They got some pretty nice colors. Then we've got our little chicken in here. She's becoming a very good mother. We got food, water. But yes, we got, I believe they're Easter eggers, so they're Araucana or Americanas. And then we got some Rhode Island Reds and the black ones. I don't remember what the black ones are. They are, I'll have to look at the order, but we're feeding them. They're eating us out of house and home. Ordered a ton of food. Oh, that makes a mess. Well, at least you guys caught that on video, right? That happens to me more often than I'd like to admit, but we've got 3 feeders in here, plus we're starting them out on brewer's grain, which I just started that this morning, and looks like they're picking away at it. Takes a little bit to get them used to that, but whatever, we're doing good. We got plenty of food, plenty of water. Haven't had any heat issues, but look at how cool that one looks. We got some white ones. We got some pretty good colors in these chickens. I know it's hard to see with the red light, but that's it. So, figured you guys would want to see a little update or a progress video of the chicks. We had that little short, but we've just been super busy. It's been a weird year. We haven't really had, we still don't have snow. So, but hopefully you guys like it. So please comment, like, and subscribe. We're going to try to do a little series on these so you guys can watch these grow up. We got the little short, but we can watch them grow up to the first egg. And we'll just show you, outline the steps here. You got the dog in the background. She just likes sniffing around in here. And, you know, everybody said don't get her because she won't be good with little baby chicks. That's not the case. She does great with them. She just tries to lick them. She don't try to eat them. So that's good. But you can see after a month, they're about half the size of that small little chicken there. So, but there you guys go. But thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Follow along with the series.